my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna explore Panda CSS. Panda built by Chakra UI. Recently update 0.32.0. we will use this one. Okay, first let's click on get started, and today we will use with Next.js project. So click on Next.js app router. We will use app router. Okay, and using bun, copy the command and click new window, the working directory YT. Okay, bun create next app latest, use bun day Panda CSS, Panda CSS, TypeScript. Yes, you can see, you can follow from here that in this project we will not use the tailwind CSS. Yes, linked. Yes, tailwind CSS. No. Source directory, you can yes, they are make it yes, but I will go without source directory. App router, yes. Import release, no. Now our project is created. Now let's go to the project directory, Panda CSS code dot with this code, and now set up our project with Panda CSS. Okay, first install Panda CSS. Copy this two command, paste it here. Let's wait until it's finished. Okay, Panda CSS installed. Now after use the bun init command showing this information. Okay, now let's see post CSS config.js. Now you can see they added this line. Okay, for advanced configuration, follow the Next.js review guide, post CSS guide to set up custom post CSS configuration. Okay, we will make it simple. Okay, now copy this line and come to the package.json script, and you can prepare Panda code JDN, Panda code gen. You need to add this line into the script section. Okay, save this file, and the prepare script will run gen. Okay, configure the content. Make sure that all of the parts of your React components are included in the include section of the Panda config.ts. Okay, now let's copy this line. Do not copy, just check it's already exists. Okay, you can see the Panda already exists. Now we will change this source to app. Okay, app directory, and we will make it component just for clicking configuration entry, you can see the copy this line. Say in your Next.js project, navigate to the source app. We are using app, so app folder and open global CSS file. Replace all the content with the following code, saying that we have to come here and to remove all from here and replace this line. Okay. Almost look like Tailwind CSS. They are inspired, probably they are inspired from Tailwind CSS. Import the entry CSS app. Okay. Into the layout section, already imported. Okay. Start using Panda. Okay, our project setup is done. Now let's use Panda and see hello Panda. Remove all the boilerplate code, paste this line here and take CSS from styled CSS. Okay, this is coming from here. Okay, now run start development burn dev. Paste it here. Okay, open the URL. Now see how it looks like. Okay, I think okay, sorry, I was not saved. You can see Panda is here. Okay, now we can change the size to from 3 2XL to 5XL. Look bigger. We can add any CSS. It's type safe your till CSS library, so we can use background color to width. You can see background color of width. Okay, it can also change hover color, and it's hover what color we want. White. Sorry, color, and here base color is BLUE blue 300. You can see now we have to change hover color SQI dot 500. You see, once we hover, we can change the color of the hover. You can customize, you can use more. Thanks for watching this video. I will be happy if you if you subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends, how to set up Panda CSS with Next.js. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.